Hi, and welcome to this crash course on Apache StrixDB, a big data management system with hands-on experience using Ubuntu machine which allows you to execute your code. And Apache StrixDB is a big data management system with a rich set that sets it apart from other big data platforms. I am going to be your guide as we explore Apache StrixDB on Ubuntu platform. So what are we going to cover in this course then? In this Apache StrixDB course, I will introduce you to the Apache StrixDB hands-on experience. In just few hours, we will go through every steps of Apache StrixDB that will provide you a wide knowledge on big data management system. This is going to be a fully hands-on experience, so roll up your sleeves and prepare to give your best. Mastering Apache StrixDB can be a skill highly sought after by employers and headhunters. So more and more companies get interested in applying Apache StrixDB solution for business analytics and customer service. Hence this practical Apache StrixDB tutorial can become your first step towards a lucrative career. Learn Apache StrixDB by creating big data management system from A to Z yourself. I am a firm believer that the best way to learn is by doing. In this Apache StrixDB tutorial, you will learn everything on the way and be able to put into practice straight away. Seeing the way each feature works will help you learn Apache StrixDB thoroughly by heart. Take the course now and have a much stronger grasp on Apache StrixDB in just a few hours. So the first thing you are going to need is a Ubuntu or Linux desktop machine. We will learn introduction to StrixDB, performance of StrixDB, key features, example of product using StrixDB, installation of Apache StrixDB on Ubuntu machine, Strix data model, that is Dataverse, data types, data sets, creating data set and indexes, loading data into StrixDB, arithmetical operator, logical operator, numerical function, string function, tokenizing function, aggregate functions for arrays, comparison function. My goal is to provide you with the practical tools that will be beneficial for you in the future. While doing that, you will develop the skills with a real use opportunity. I am really excited you are here. I hope you are going to follow all the way to the end of course. It is fairly straightforward, fairly easy to follow through the course. I will show you step by step each line of code and I will explain what it does and why are we doing it. So please, I invite you to follow up to go through all the lectures. Alright, I will see you soon in the course.